Asuntosyköyhtiö Pirkan portti.
Yes, today is the 5th of July 2021. We have Aleksanterinkatu, Aleksanterinkatu in Swedish, building 37, take a seat. And I am absolutely sure I have only one on this side left, but I'm not sure which text it was, A or B, so I'll check it later. But this time we got inside one more, and we can also go and try the building, take a say on the other side, because that one is the only one I have left. And this is a ValmetSchlieren elevator built in 1963, turned 55 years old in 2018, and the serial number is VS322. It's going to be inspected in next year, 2022. The capacity is 3 person, 2 grams. The basement floor is locked up with this smart airlock, but otherwise all floors are accessible. Above ground, 7 floors, 8 floors total. Amazing. Not sure if this was finished in 1963 or 64, but there is no information on the internet, at least so far. This is in Tampere, Finland.
Tippaakin vaiskutaan, me eteenpäin on.
They are all maintained by Connie.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. Thank you very much. And that's it. We're going to take a say on that side, and the other one is left on this.
That's it.